Welcome back. In this video, I'll be uploading a video onto my Facebook page. This is the same video which I have uploaded onto the YouTube platform. I am simply repurposing the same video which I have uploaded onto the Facebook page. While uploading any of your video which you have already uploaded onto the YouTube, you need to be very careful. You should not download the same content from the YouTube and upload onto your Facebook page, as the content ID from the YouTube which you have downloaded. So you need to keep all your raw footage separately and upload onto your Facebook page. So I have removed all the references related to YouTube, and I am repurposing the same video onto my Facebook page. So let us see what are the steps involved to upload the video onto the Facebook page. In order to upload a video, I have to log into the Facebook and I have to select the page to which I will be uploading, and there is an option under more. I have to select the option here, and if you notice, there is also an option to select the video. I will select the video option here, and it says upload video. So what I will do is I will click on upload the video, and I have to select the video which I have to upload. So I'll upload this particular video which I have created for the Excel, and click on open. Since I have already copied the title and the tags, what I will do is I will use the same title and tags which I have copied. And also I'll copy the description. This is the same thing what you do in YouTube. While you upload your video, you have to add the title and the description. So similar way, I am using the title and the description over here. And if I wanted to add the tags here, I have to click on the video option over here. Click on the video option, and I will use the title again here, and I can add the tags over here. And also you have an option to choose the thumbnail. So I'll click on upload the thumbnail because I have already created the thumbnail using Canva. So I'll upload the thumbnail. I will choose this thumbnail. So this is the wrong thumbnail which I have selected. I will delete it. You can upload the thumbnail by clicking on change thumbnail and upload image here. Upload image. I will select the correct thumbnail over here, and once the thumbnail is correct, you can click on save. So now you have uploaded the video, and also you have added the title and the description for your video, and also you have added the tags as well for your video. So once everything is done, you can click on post so that this video will be published. I will click on the post option here. And one more thing, what I have to do is I have some other text which I have to add. So I will come to the main Facebook page here, and if I have missed any of the text, I can copy the same text over here and go to the video which I wanted to post and paste the additional text. So this is the information which I have pasted here. Once everything is done, you can click on post. It will take some time once you have posted the video, and it will appear in the post section. There is also another option to upload your videos using Meta Business Suite. Under the manage page, select your Facebook page, and there is also an option which is available for Meta Business Suite. Click on the Meta Business Suite over here, and you will see multiple options under content. There are multiple options over here. You can also select playlist to create the playlist. I have created 2 playlists over here, and these playlists are useful to categorize your videos because I have uploaded multiple videos on Excel and also uploaded videos on Windows. So I have categorized my videos under 2 different playlists. Now, since I wanted to upload a video, what I will do is I have to click on create post here. This is a little bit tedious and you will not see much information over here. So I have to select add video over here to add the videos, and select the add video option, upload from desktop. All my videos are in desktop, so I'll select the folder where the video files are located. So simply click on the video which you wanted to upload. I'll select the video which I wanted to upload. And you can see there is a progress bar which shows. So once your video is uploaded, you can add the text for your video. Since this is a different video, what I will do is I'll copy and paste the text which I have already copied into the notepad, and I will also copy the description over here. And similar way, I have to copy the other text, which is the standard text which I will be using for all my videos onto the Facebook page. So this particular text is also updated. So there is also an option to schedule your videos. You can click on this button here and you can choose the option to schedule your video. Select the date and time on which your video should be scheduled. So I don't want to schedule the video. I can publish the video right away. So after uploading the video and adding the text, I can simply click on publish over here. So this is another way of adding your videos to the Facebook page. The first option is very easy option, and you can choose this option to upload your videos. These are the 2 options which are available to upload your videos onto your Facebook page. The first option looks very easy to upload the videos because not only you can upload the videos, you can seamlessly add the text and also add the tags for your videos without any issues. Now, after uploading your video, you will be able to see the video which you have uploaded. It has successfully published, and if you wanted to edit this particular video and add tags, if you notice while uploading in the Meta Business Suite, we were not able to add the tags here. So what I will do is I can add the tags, and also I have to upload the thumbnail for this particular video. So I'll click on this option, whereas you'll see there are 3 dotted lines here, and you select edit post. Click on the edit post, and you will see there is a video option here. I'll choose the video option to edit, and video title is already added. So I have to add the tags here. So what I will do is I will copy the tags which I have copied onto the notepad and paste it onto the video here. I will also upload the thumbnail for this particular video. There is already a thumbnail which was created using Canva, so I'll use the same thumbnail for this particular video. I'll select the thumbnail, click on open, and I will click on save. So this way you can upload the video, add the title, the description, and the tags, and also you can change the thumbnail. Click on save, and whatever options you have edited, everything will be displayed here. So now this particular video will have the thumbnail. You can simply refresh this page and you should be able to see the thumbnail which you have uploaded. So this is the thumbnail which you have uploaded. I'll refresh once again. It moves very fast. So this is the thumbnail which you have uploaded. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the content, please subscribe and share the video. Thank you. Take care.